Today I'm gonna tell you the best way to invest your first $1,000 to $10,000 in stock market and grow your wealth. Hi, I'm Eric from Value Investing, and today I will go over the best possible options to invest your first small capital. But before we start, please make sure I am not a financial advisor and I don't do investment recommendations. This video is only all about education. Also, make sure you subscribe to receive our weekly videos if you want to expand your financial skills. Okay, let's start. First and foremost, if you want to be a good investor, you must spend enough time on your education to grow your skills. Otherwise, I almost guarantee you will fail like the first trial of riding a bicycle. You can't read how to ride a bicycle for 10 years and try it first time and succeed. No way, you have to do real things before you succeed. In this video, I am going to guide you how to make minimal to zero wrong decisions for investing your first small capital. Number 1, invest for long term. Don't even try to do short-term trades, because you either will fail or you will win and then fail harder. Why? Because the short-term trading is only for professionals who have enough resources, technology, network, and can handle their emotions perfectly. Also, even 90% of those professionals are not successful. So to be successful, you better invest in long term and don't panic when the market fluctuates, because there is no straight line in the market in the long term, and you will have down years and up years. And as there will be down years, you will think about selling your investments, which can lead to a loss. So make sure you have invested the money you are not going to touch for 10 years or more, and there will be no need to withdraw from your portfolio for your personal usage. Number 2, don't ask for investment advice. If you think you are not professional, but you know a professional who can tell you which stock to buy, run the farther you can from that professional. A professional investor takes into consideration hundreds of factors before investing, which can easily not work for you. It can be portfolio management, asset allocation, hedging against other positions, risk tolerance and future plans, and much more. For example, I jumped into Facebook stock with a cost basis of about $167, and if the price drops to $150 or $120, I will invest more, and if the price goes under $100, I think I will invest the double size I usually do. So my cost basis will be around $110 or $120, which can become a very good investment in 10 years. The same advice I can't give to a guy who only has the first $167. So there is no a good stock to invest. That's it. You must take into consideration too many factors. As Robert Kiyosaki tells, there is no a good investment. There is a good investor. And when someone asked Robert Kiyosaki, please give me a good advice for investment I do now, he replied, but are you a good investor? Number 3, invest in index funds, but choose the right time to start, because you can end up reaching the break-even point in 20 years, as we had that type of scenario in our history a few times. Yes, the market goes up in the long run, but that long run can be about 50 years or 100 years. There have been a few cases within last century that market went nearly nowhere for 10 to 30 years. Now in 2020, seems we are having another opportunity to jump into index funds. For index funds, I recommend using SPY ETF that tracks the base S&P 500 and IWM for Russell 2000. If I was a person who doesn't want to do an individual stock analysis and doesn't want to go deep into investing, researching, finding companies, I definitely would invest in index funds. So you either work on yourself, spend much time to grow your skills and invest in individual stocks, or you choose investing in index funds. Of course, you can have some 5 to 10% of your portfolio in precious metals to be protected from economic downturns, but mostly you better be invested in index funds if you don't want to go deep in investing. But start your index fund investments when the market is not too high, and be aggressive when the market crashes. To know the market is not priced high, make sure the total PE ratio of the market is not over 20. For more information about the market PE ratio, read Robert Shiller's book, which is called Irrational Exuberance. Number 4, invest in trenches. Be sure there is a big difference between investing in trenches and dollar cost averaging. The main idea of dollar cost averaging is that you put a certain amount of money, for example monthly, and you don't care what the price is. The price is up, you invest; the price is down, you invest. I don't like that approach and never thought it is wise. Instead, I have a better method which always worked for me well enough. That is investing in trenches depending on the price. For example, if you want to invest $1,000 in silver, you invest $200 first. The price goes down, you invest next $200. The price goes down again, you invest next $200, and so on. If you think you are investing in a correct thing, you should be happy when the price goes down. Because when the price goes down, you invest more and you making your cost basis at a better price. So if the price crashes a lot, you can invest 2 trenches together, like the double size you usually do. And that way you deduct your average cost basis vastly. The only problem of this method is when you start investing and the price goes up since that. Believe me, there will be too few cases in your lifetime that you will pick the bottom and the price will go only up since you invested. And even if that happens, you can spend your next tranches in other investment tools if you are sure that the prices will not come back ever. Also, let the biggest problem of your investing be less profit. Let that one investment bring you little profit. There are a bunch of new opportunities every day, believe me. Now please let us know how you are going to invest your first small capital, and if you have already done that, please let us know how it is going. Leave your comments below and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video so that you don't miss it. And if you could take any value from this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, have a good day.